Hey guys, it's Roy from RWilco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today to show you guys how to fix one of the only annoyances that I have with my brand new OnePlus 8 Pro. And that annoyance is the default behavior of the power button. Now on most devices, your power button has two functions. If you tap it once, it's going to turn off your screen. Tap it again, it'll turn it on. Or you have the other function where if you hold it down, it's going to take you to your power menu. Well, if I hold it down now, it's going to take me to the Google Assistant. Now the good news is it is working as designed. OnePlus did this on purpose. Now the bad news is that's not the behavior I want on my device. But the better news is OnePlus was smart enough to include an option for us to be able to change it back to the default behavior. So if we want to change that, we can go ahead and we go into our settings, we go down to the buttons and gestures option, and here we have this press and hold the power button option. We're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on that. Now in here you'll see there's two different options. Select the function either Power Menu or Voice Assistant Google. Before we switch to Power Menu, I'm going to show you what's in the Voice Assistant. And so in here you see that there's none, Google, or Alexa. So if it's on Google, we hold it down and it's going to pull up Google. Switch it to Alexa, hold it down, and it'll pull up Alexa. If we change it to none, we can hold that down and it's not going to do anything. Now, I don't want any of those behaviors. I want my old Power Menu back. So we're going to go back here, we're going to switch to Power Menu, hold down the power button, and presto, we are good to go. So all in all, as you can see, there was a super easy process. There's nothing wrong with the phone. It's just my personal preference, and I think a lot of other people will share that same preference as well. So hopefully this video will be able to help you guys out. If you guys have any questions about this process, if you have any questions about the OnePlus 8 Pro, or any questions about OnePlus's other products, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.